Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to bring a quick bonus tip here on this project where I have different ceiling heights for the existing home and the new addition. I'm going to get right into it here. This is the existing home on the right, and the client wants to add on this addition over here at a 12-foot plate height. The existing house has an 8-foot plate height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my default floor settings, floor levels, first floor at 144 inches or 12 feet there. And this way I don't have to adjust all the new rooms. If we change our minds and they want to go 14 feet or 10 feet, I can just do one location there, and these rooms are all, the structure is still default. And then I'll just come back here into the existing space and set the ceiling height this way. Now in X14 we are able to select multiple rooms. I'm just shift clicking into each room and open those objects and change the ceiling height that way. In previous versions, what I would have done and probably still would do here is I'm just going to change one structure height to the 97 1/8 inch height, and I'm going to use this match properties tool. With the room selected, I can match properties or Control J and go to ceiling elevation, and then I'm going to apply properties down here or Control K, and from here I'll just apply it into each room, and as each room has the same properties, it's going to highlight that room, and so I know that that proper ceiling height's been applied. Now these rooms have all been manually set at 97 1/8 and won't be affected if I change the floor default for these rooms. So quickly now, I'm thinking ahead in my presentation. If the client wants to see a different plate height, I can just quickly change one location instead of selecting all the rooms or applying a manual change to each room, because each of these rooms just follow the default. These won't change, so those I've changed to manual and not following the default. Hope that makes sense. Hope you've gained some information out of this. Thanks so much for watching. Click like and subscribe down there, and comment. I enjoy conversing with you all as you leave comments. All right, take care. Bye-bye.